In this video I'm going to set up a Vue.js development environment from scratch on a Windows 10 PC. This PC has only the operating system installed on it, together with the drivers and Chrome, as you can see, and the capture software that I'm using. So by watching this video you should learn how to download, install and configure everything that's required to start creating Vue.js projects. So I'm going to start by going to Node.js. This is a JavaScript runtime that's required by Vue.js. So I'm going to download the recommended version. So once that's downloaded, go ahead and install it. Just going to go with all the default options, not going to make any changes. Okay. And now for code editing, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code, or VS Code. So download that version. Okay, so once that's downloaded, go ahead and install. Enter the default options. So click Finish and that'll launch Visual Studio Code. What I want to do is just open up a terminal just to test if the Node.js installation went through correctly. So new terminal. Just going to expand this. That's Control++ to zoom in. So I'm going to type in Node V, and that'll tell me the version that's been installed. So I'm going to go to the root. I'm going to make a directory called Vue.js Projects. I'm going to go into that directory. Now what I want to do is install the Vue CLI, which will allow us to use Vue commands and get things started. So that's npm install g CLI. Okay, so once that's installed, we can just check the Vue installation by typing Vue -- version. If this error message comes up, it's not a Vue error message as such, it's a PowerShell error message. It means we need to close VS Code, go back into it as an administrator, run as admin. So at the prompt I'm going to type set execution policy to unrestricted. Then I'm going to go back to the Vue.js projects directory. I'm going to type in that command again, so Vue -- version. So that should work now. So it shows the CLI version is 4.2.2. So now we can go ahead and actually create a Vue.js project by using the Vue create command. So I'm going to type Vue create. I'm going to call it hello world. Go for the default option there. Okay, so once the project is created, you should get the message at the bottom there, successfully created project, hello world. So I'm going to go into the directory, and we're going to do an npm run serve command, which starts the development server and allow us to see, just allow access to that if it comes up, allow us to see the app in a browser. So control click. So that shows the hello world application. Now if you go into file, then open folder, you can actually open the project folder. So you see the various directories, and you could just make a quick change to one of the components. If this comes up, this Vector, not sure if that's a correct pronunciation, extension, that if you install that, it allows Vue syntax highlighting and formatting, etc. So we'll go ahead and install that because it is useful. So once that's installed, you can see the syntax being highlighted correctly. I'm going to go into the app view file. I'm just going to make a quick change to the message here, which shows that any change we make here will be viewable in the browser. So I'll just save that, open a terminal, and npm run serve. Okay, so that change reflected there. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments, and hopefully I'll get back to you. Thank you.